So as we were talking about trendline liquidity, this was just the illustration. Remember, we're still in the introduction phase. Much more about this real smart money concept. If you really want to know much more about it, you can be free to hit us on our WhatsApp number that is in the description below. You can also contact us through Telegram. You can actually be part of the full course that comes with everything concerning this real smart money concept. It's part of the full course mentorship program that we offer. So without further much ado, as we're saying, trendline liquidity, this is how they do it. They know that retail traders, whenever they are trading channels like this, they buy here, buy here. After you buy, they know where your stop loss is. Your stop loss is below here, below here. So what they do, they come here, you buy, buy, then they pretend to go up, then come down, take out your stop losses, then you find it going up. As I said, in the next upcoming episodes, I will explain why they bounce on this zone. It's because of the order block or the demand zone that would be there. But here, as a retail trader, your stop loss will be taken, but after a while, you see the market going all the way where you were actually anticipating in the beginning. That is one way in which retail traders are manipulated. That is one way in which retail traders' stop losses are used as a form of liquidity by the big guys or the market makers or the smart money guys to trap by the institutions to trap retail traders. Once they take out your stop loss here, you are going to respond and sell. After selling, they are actually also going to check out your sales immediately after tapping into this demand or order block here. Then they continue going up. That is one way in which trendline liquidity applies. So we also spoke about support and resistance liquidity. Support and resistance liquidity is also similar to trendline liquidity, whereby they notice how they know that you as a retail trader, at a support you buy, at a resistance you sell. They know all of that. So they know, right? So as they see you buying on this zone, putting your stop loss below the zone, they can actually notice and utilize your stop loss as a liquidity. So they want to collect. So what they do, they wipe this support, collect all this liquidity that is lying below your support. Then you find the market coming back inside, then going all the way where you're expecting. But you as a retail trader, this is how you're trapped. Number one, they take out your stop loss. After taking out your stop loss, most of the retail traders, they will sell hard here. After selling the breakout here, they will also be taking out their stop losses because they sell here, put their stop loss above here inside. So both the ones who bought, they are trapped, and also the ones who sold, they are trapped. But who is not trapped is only a real smart trader, which is what we teach in our focus mentorship program. You can actually be free to hit us in the description below. There's a WhatsApp number. You can actually hit us there and actually join our focus mentorship program, where you actually be taught how not to be trapped. Because here, both the retail traders who were buying, they were trapped. The retail traders who sold, they were trapped. So who is not trapped is only a smart trader who actually has an understanding of how institutions trade. So basically, this is an introduction. So remember, we're still introducing the topic. We're not going to talk much about this subject. We're only going to introduce it here on YouTube. But on our focus mentorship program, we actually go into full details and actually go into practical examples of all the information concerning the real smart money concept and actually all the retail trading strategies and institutional trading strategies that we have, forming our smart confluence trading 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0. Those are some of the things that you're going to find in our focus mentorship program. We have smart confluence trading 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0. All of that is guaranteed to make you a successful trader who is not trapped by the institutions, all the manipulations of retail traders, we cover them in the full course mentorship program. We'll actually show you how retail traders are manipulated and how you can be on the safe side where you're not trapped. You can actually take advantage of the trap of other retail traders and actually make advantage and take advantage of that to make profit on your side. So this is just an introduction. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you share the video. If you're interested in being part of the Smart Traders community, feel free to join our Telegram group in the description below, or feel free to contact us through WhatsApp in the description below. Follow us also in Instagram, where we all actually share some beautiful setups on Instagram. We share some beautiful setups. You also find some of the testimonials there on Instagram. So feel free to follow us, feel free to like us, feel free to join the community. We are here to reveal the secrets, to show you the mysteries that are there behind trading. Trading is way beyond support and resistance. It goes way beyond trend lines. It goes deeper. It goes deeper than that. So even candlesticks, in our focus mentorship program, we actually go deeper to show you how candlesticks operate, how you can actually utilize candlesticks to make money on your side. So just to summarize this episode, we talked about liquidity being the money that institutions use to drive price or to move the market. So liquidity, it comes in so many forms. In this episode, we just spoke of trend line liquidity and support and resistance liquidity. But it also comes in the form of retail traders stop losses, retail traders deposits into the market, retail traders entry points. They can actually be used as liquidity by the big institutions to drive the price where they want it to go. So trend line liquidity, I spoke about it, whereby you'll be having a trend like this. Then they notice where your entry points are. Once they notice where your entry points are, once they figure out where your entry points are, they notice where you're placing your stop losses. They'll utilize and collect out your stop losses, take out all your stop losses, then you sell. After selling, they'll come respect the demand zone on the order block where they initially would have wanted to buy. Then boom, they go all the way up, taking out all your sales and all your buys. So those who bought and those who sold, they actually were trapped. It's only the real smart money traders or the real smart traders, which is us, who will actually make advantage and make money out of this trade. So that is just an introduction. This is just an introduction. We go deeper into this in the full course mentorship program. Feel free to contact us through the description below.